Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sandeep Sharma, your pediatric super specialty faculty at PrepLadder. We have INI super specialty ranker with us, Dr. Krishnu Kandu. Dr. Krishnu Kandu has got a rank of AML rank 5. Yes, you heard it right, rank 5 in neonatology segment, and he's soon going to be the leading neonatologist in the country. Soon means 3 years, but 3 years is also soon when you take into account the number of years doctors put in. So it's my privilege to invite him to this interview. Congratulations, Dr. Krishnu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Before we start, please tell us about your background, what place you belong to, and where you did your UG and PG from.
So actually, I am from West Bengal. I completed my undergraduate from IPJMR Kolkata, and then I did my PG from Lady Hajis Medical College, New Delhi.
And so you're working right now? And
Currently, I did my SF shift 1 year from Lady Hajis only.
hmm,
Currently, I was working as a assistant professor in a private medical college in Kolkata.
and preparing for the exam.
Yes, sir.
So was it your first attempt?
For INI, it is my first attempt, you can say.
Hmm.
Earlier, I gave at 2024 May, but it was just a time pass type, not serious.
Okay, so serious attempt is this one.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yes,
so
sir.
what's your overall view of the exam? Like how the exam was, like how much was the neonatology? What was the difficulty level of neonatology?
Sir, for my point of view, the exam was not that easy part. It's as a very, matlab, you have to read NICU protocol from cover to cover, first of all. And NICU part is almost 60% was there. NICU question was there. And rest was general pediatrics, and general pediatrics also very vast. Matlab, they asked 2 to 3 questions from program also, and many parts of neurology, cardiology, everything they have asked from general pediatrics also. For neonatology part, I think NICU protocol is more than enough, but I have line. They ask question from there only.
Yes, I've heard that they are these days asking even statements picking up from there,
Yes,
percentages and data picking up from
yes,
there,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? So and less biostats this time.
Sorry, sir.
Biostatistics, less questions.
Biostats has they have asked, I think, 3 questions from biostats, and it was moderate level, not very tough. Moderate level question was they have asked.
What about the department assessment? Everyone is very scared of the department assessment part. Obviously, you did well there. So how did that part go for you?
Sir, I was also very scared for the. This was my first time in department assessment, and they just informed me just 12 hours before the exam that you have exam tomorrow. So I was not prepared at all. I was preparing for NEET SS and another thing. For the department assessment part, there is two part. For my time, it was 10 plus 10. First 10 is from neonatology, and the next 10 from general pediatrics. First 10, they asked some OSCE type. They will give some scenario and question. You have to just write the question and you have to make a photo and a screenshot. You make a PDF and you have to send them. Second part also, it was kind of OSCE type, but verbal OSCE, matlab, they just ran through some question and scenario, and you just have to give answer to them. No one is crossing any question.
Okay. And do they ask the details of the latest updates and all those things? Like you
Uh,
have to, did you specifically prepare for that?
Sir, yes, sir. I had prepared for that because I know you also said in your videos also that the footnote they have mentioned in the NICU part, we have
Yes.
to read the percentage, the study. But not in the theory part also and the departmental assessment also, they did not ask such thing
Okay.
this time only.
This time. Okay. See, the only thing constant about INI-SS is they keep on making subtle changes. But if someone has prepared well and the resources they've used well, I think you have a very good fighting chance. Talking about resources, you talked about newborn ICU protocol. What other resources did you use for your preparation?
That I solely depend on PrepLadder only. And is very few part from Nelson जो आई थिंक कि मेरे को कवर करना चाहिए. Rest NICU protocol, बस that's the thing. And I think revision is the key, sir.
Revision is the key. Absolutely, absolutely. So, like you'll be recommending PrepLadder to your juniors also.
Obviously, sir. Your videos that make me understand all the difficult topic. क्योंकि reading Nelson and understanding Nelson is also difficult thing in the pressure situation.
Yes. See, Nelson is a textbook, and Nelson is a beautiful book, but it is
Yes, sir.
not an easy book. Like you
Yes,
read
sir.
it leisurely, then it is fine. But those nuances, if you miss, those are the ones examiner actually checks you in the
Yes,
exam.
sir.
So, like, what is the blueprint now? Somebody is going to prepare for May 26 INI-SS. What should be the blueprint if I have to start today? What advice would you give?
So if it's May 26th, so they don't have so much time. So I think they should focus on the note they have made, or they have to make from some platform they are following, and they have to stick to the notes for the general pediatrics part. And for neonatology part, the only answer is to read NICU protocol. And some perinatology part, the first few chapter from the Clohati.
Go ahead. Avery, did you read?
No, sir, I didn't read.
Okay, okay. Great. So, students who are listening to this, Dr. Krishnu had a very clear approach. This is what I have, this is what I will do, and I will do it to the best I can. It was
Yes.
enough, and he's now going to be a neonatologist, most likely from one of the AIMS. So, Dr. Krishnu, this would not have been possible, of course, without the blessings and the support of many other people, many other, individuals. You want to give any shout out, any thanks, vote of thanks to someone?
Obviously, sir. Obviously, my parents, my wife, my in-laws, and for teacher, I must say, Dr. Anju Seth from Lady Arjun Medical College.
Yes,
She was
yes.
my guide.
Okay.
She is the person who taught me everything about pediatrics. And Dr. Preeti Singh also, Dr. Ravinder Singh sir. They are the person who taught me the pediatrics, the essence of pediatrics, everything. To sir, all the credit goes to them only. And obviously, sir, your videos has a great role in this part also. I can't do without your videos.
Thank you so much. It's so nice of you. But eventually, see, it's your journey. We can all play our supportive role, yes. But you are the main lead, and you have done well. New chapter is going to start in your journey, and we're really very happy to be a part of it. On behalf of the entire team, I wish you all the very best, and may you achieve zeniths of success in the coming years. So, take care,
Thank you.
Krishna, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.